Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to install NordVPN on your smart TV. Whether you want more privacy or access to content that's blocked in your region, the setup is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open a web browser and go to the NordVPN website. You can also use a direct link to the download page if you have one. This is where you'll find all the available versions for different devices. Once the page loads, click the login button in the top right corner and sign into your account. If you don't have a NordVPN account yet, you'll need to create one, since an active subscription is required. After logging in, go to the download section and select the option that says Download NordVPN. Next, look for the section labeled VPN Solution for Smart TV. This area is designed specifically for smart TV setups. From there, choose Android TV. Most modern smart TVs run on Android, so this is usually the correct option. Once selected, the download will start. When the download finishes, follow the on-screen instructions to install NordVPN on your TV. Depending on your TV model, this may involve installing through the built-in App Store or using SmartDNS or sideloading, as provided by NordVPN. Before finishing, make sure your smart TV has enough storage space available. Some older models may need a bit of space cleared for new apps to run smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully installed NordVPN on your smart TV and can now enjoy greater privacy and more streaming options. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech guides.